Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fancy Akinyi. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm going to bake a cake. And as you can see, I don't have an oven, so I'll use a jiko or my cooker. So first, I'll start by greasing my baking tin and set it aside. I'm just using cooking oil. You can use margarine. Once that is done, I'm just going to take a spoonful of all-purpose wheat flour just to dust the baking tin more. This is to help the cake not to stick on the tin. If you have a baking paper, you can use that. So once that is done, we are going to set it aside. Next, we are going to take a larger sufuria. This larger sufuria, we are going to put salt, 2 cups of salt. You can use sand if you have, or you can opt not to use either of those and just use stones or spoons crossed, something that can hold the baking tin. You just use it. So here I'm just putting small stones. The salt is kinda dirty because I've been using it for quite some time. This is the 5th time I'm using it, so we'll set it aside and preheat it for 10 minutes. In a different bowl, we are going to put our wet ingredients and mix them together. So I use 3 eggs, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla essence, 1 pinch of salt. Then I'm going to mix everything together until it becomes foamy. Once it is foamy enough, I'm going to add half a cup of cooking oil and continue mixing for another 1 minute until it becomes more foamy. At this point, it is looking okay. Now I'm going to add the dry ingredients, which is 1 cup all-purpose wheat flour and baking powder, 1 tablespoon. Once that is done with a wooden spoon, I'm just going to mix all this nicely. Don't use a mixer at this point, just use a spoon or a wooden spoon to mix everything together. Don't overmix it, since we don't want to remove the airs that we created with the wet ingredients. Next, we're just going to transfer the batter on our baking tin. Once that is done, we are going to let it bake for 40 to 45 to 50 minutes. I put charcoal on burning charcoal on my lid so that the upper part can cook well. As you can see, after 40 minutes it was looking okay. So we're just going to remove, confirm if the inside is nicely cooked. Remove it from the tin, let it cool and enjoy. This is a very simple recipe. If you have an oven, you can bake this cake. If you don't have an oven, you still can bake this cake, as you've seen. So that's my today's recipe, guys. I hope you try it. I really loved it, and I'm going to be baking more cakes. I'm going to have a series where I'll be baking cakes. Yes, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share. Until next time, bye.